Imagine making $1,000 a day by selling the right products. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? But what if we told you it's entirely achievable? Welcome, fellow entrepreneurs, to the fascinating world of dropshipping. Our focus today is on winning products, those elusive gems that transform a humble dropshipping store into a goldmine. The key is to find the right product, one that's in demand, unique, and taps into the consumer's needs and desires. The potential? Making $1,000 a day. Yes, you heard it right, $1,000 a day. But how do you find these winning products? What makes a product a winner? And how can you ensure your chosen product has the potential to reach such dizzying heights? Fear not. This video will guide you through the journey of finding such products. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the exciting voyage of dropshipping success. Winning products don't just fall off trees. They are a blend of trending niches and evergreen products. Now let's delve deeper into what this means. Beginning with trending niches, these are areas in the market that are currently hot and on the rise. As we look ahead to 2024, it's crucial to stay updated on market trends. Some of you might be wondering, why? Well, catching a trend early can skyrocket your sales as it attracts a massive number of interested buyers. It's like riding a wave. You want to be on top when it's at its highest, not when it's crashing down. So, always keep your finger on the pulse of what's trending. On the other side of the coin, we have what we call evergreen products. These are products that have a consistent demand regardless of the season or year. Think of products that solve perennial problems or cater to enduring interests. They might not have the explosive growth of a trending product, but they offer stability and a steady stream of sales. For instance, consider the fitness niche. People are always looking to get in shape, right? Even though there might be fluctuations in the popularity of specific workout trends or diets, the overall demand for fitness-related products remains relatively stable over time. That's an example of an evergreen niche. But remember, even within evergreen niches, there are trends. A few years ago, yoga mats might have been the rage, whereas now, it could be resistance bands. So, while the niche remains evergreen, the specific products within that niche can trend or fade. Therefore, the trick is to find the sweet spot, where trending niches and evergreen products intersect. That's where your winning products lie. It's about finding a product that not only rides the wave of a current trend, but also has the staying power of an evergreen product. Keeping an eye on market trends and focusing on evergreen products is a surefire way to find winning products. So keep researching, keep learning, and most importantly, keep adapting, because in the dynamic world of dropshipping, the only constant is change. The key to finding winning products lies in effective product research. Now that we have that out of the way, let's dive right into the tools and techniques you can use to find your next big winner. First and foremost, we've got tools like Google Trends, AliExpress, and Amazon bestsellers. Google Trends is a fantastic resource to see what products are trending at any given time. You can easily see the popularity of a product over time and even check interest by region. Next, we have AliExpress. This platform is a goldmine for dropshippers. By keeping an eye on the hot products section, you can stay ahead of the curve and identify products that are gaining momentum. Amazon bestsellers, on the other hand, gives you a clear picture of what products are selling like hotcakes. This can be a great way to validate product ideas or even find new ones. But wait, having these tools is not enough. You need to know how to analyze the data they provide. This is where key metrics come into play. Search volume, competition, and seasonality are all crucial factors to consider. Search volume gives you an idea of how much interest there is for a product. High search volume usually means high demand. But be careful, it can also mean high competition. Competition is another metric you need to keep an eye on. You don't want to enter a market where you'll be a small fish in a big pond. Look for products that have a healthy level of competition, not too much, not too little. And lastly, seasonality. Some products might sell well during certain times of the year and not so much during others. Be sure to look at trends over the course of a year to get a clear picture of a product's performance. Remember, data is your best friend in this journey. It's not about guessing or following your gut, it's about making informed decisions based on solid data. With the right tools and techniques, you can uncover a goldmine of potential winning products. So, get out there and start researching. The next big dropshipping product could be just a few clicks away. Not all products are created equal. Some have an edge that makes them potential winners. In the dropshipping world, products that solve problems hold a high value. Why? Well, these are the products that fill a gap in the market, meeting a need that hasn't been satisfied. These are the solutions that customers didn't even know they needed until they saw them. A product that solves a problem isn't just a purchase, it's a solution, a relief, a game changer. That's what makes them so powerful in the market. Now, let's talk about the other type of potential winners, viral products. These are the products that have the potential to catch on like wildfire on social media. They're trendy, they're shareable, and they're often linked with a powerful emotion or a captivating story. When a product goes viral, it doesn't just sell, it explodes. Products that solve problems and have a viral potential often turn out to be winners. Before going all in, it's essential to test your products. And by that, we're not talking about simple quality checks. We're referring to small-scale market testing. Getting your hands on the potential winning product is only half the battle. The real fight begins when you test its market viability. Think of it as a rehearsal before the actual performance. You wouldn't want to spend a fortune on a product that doesn't resonate with your audience, would you? That's where small-scale testing comes in. It's a low-risk way of gauging how well your product will perform in the market. It's all about being smart with your budget allocation. Try launching a mini marketing campaign. Use a small portion of your budget to run ads for your product on a small scale. Observe how your potential customers respond. Do they seem interested? Are they making purchases? Remember, this isn't just about making a quick buck, it's about gathering data. You're looking for trends and patterns that can tell you whether or not your product has the potential to be a winner. Once your test campaign is over, it's time to analyze the results. This is the validation part of the process. Look at the numbers. How many people clicked on your ads? How many of those clicks converted into sales? But don't just stop at sales. Look at other metrics too, like engagement and customer feedback. Are people talking about your product? Are they sharing it? If your product is generating buzz, that's a good sign. And now comes the most important part, making the decision. Based on your analysis, is your product viable? If yes, consider scaling up. If not, it might be time to pivot. Remember, every product won't be a winner, and that's okay. The key is to learn from each test and use that knowledge to refine your strategy. Testing and validation will save you from costly mistakes and help you identify the real winners. So before you go all in, take a moment to test. You'll be glad you did. Different niches require different approaches. The world of dropshipping is as diverse as it is vast. Each niche has its unique attributes and demands a tailored strategy. Let's delve into some of these niches. Consider tech gadgets, a rapidly evolving sector. Keeping up with the latest trends and innovations is key. Embrace the fast-paced nature of this niche, and you'll never run out of products to dropship. Now, let's look at beauty products. The secret here is understanding your audience. It's a market driven by influencers, trends, and personal preferences. Empathy and understanding are your best tools in this sphere. And what about fitness products? Here the focus is on value and quality. Fitness enthusiasts seek products that help them achieve their goals. Proving the effectiveness of your product can make all the difference. Each niche has its unique quirks. Recognizing these quirks and tailoring your approach accordingly is crucial. Understanding the dynamics of your niche will give you a competitive edge. The road to finding winning products is not without its pitfalls. One of the biggest challenges you may encounter is market saturation, a scenario where there are too many sellers peddling similar products. But don't let this deter you. The key here is to find unique angles within competitive niches. Think about how you can differentiate your offerings, whether it's through better product quality, innovative features, or exceptional customer service. Another common pitfall lies in the realm of shipping and fulfillment. Nothing can erode your customer base faster than an unreliable delivery system. It's crucial to partner with trustworthy suppliers who can deliver products promptly and in good condition. Also, be transparent about shipping times and costs. Manage your customers' expectations from the get-go to avoid dissatisfaction and negative reviews. Avoiding these common pitfalls will set you on the path to success. The only constant in business is change. This adage holds especially true in the dynamic world of dropshipping. As trends evolve and the market fluctuates, one's ability to adapt becomes the key to maintaining a successful business. It's not enough to just keep an eye on the current trends, you should also anticipate the future. Consumer behavior shifts and market trends can significantly impact your product's performance. So, how do you stay ahead of the curve? Continuous learning is your ally. Make it a habit to regularly study your niche, monitor customer feedback, and keep an eye on market indicators. In addition, consider attending webinars, subscribing to industry newsletters, and joining online forums. These resources can provide valuable insights and help you stay informed about upcoming trends. Remember, the more you learn, the better you can adapt. So, in the ever-evolving landscape of dropshipping, stay informed, adapt, and your business will thrive. So there you have it, the roadmap to finding $1K/day dropshipping products. We've demystified the process, from understanding what winning products look like to leveraging research tools and techniques. We've delved into identifying potential winners, the value of testing and validation, and niche-specific strategies. We've also discussed how to avoid common pitfalls, such as market saturation and shipping complications. Then, we explored the crucial need to stay informed and adapt to market changes. We've even shared some inspiring success stories for good measure. Remember, the key to this journey is persistent research, careful analysis, and strategic testing. Be prepared to learn continuously and adapt quickly. While it's a challenging journey, the potential reward of finding that winning product making $1K a day is worth every bit of effort. The journey to finding winning products may be challenging, but with the right approach, it's absolutely achievable.